A large language model token is basically a word, or a part of a word. It's the fundamental building block that LLMs consume and output, and it's what's behind every chatbot, every coding assistant, and every AI agent. The ability to break up text into tokens, interpret them, and produce new meaningful tokens has given us instant access to even more info than search engines, largely automated programming, which now uses over half of all tokens produced worldwide, and promises to completely reshape how we interact with software and run information-driven organizations. Goldman Sachs projects that as we integrate agentic AI, we'll use 120 quadrillion tokens per month in 2030, which is 24 times more than we're already using today. That wouldn't even be possible right now, because under the software layer, there is an enormous foundation of physical hardware powering the massive computations that produce each token, and we just don't have enough compute to produce all those tokens yet. To hit those 2030 numbers, we're about to massively scale the chips that compute, the memory that feeds them, the components that connect them, and the power that it all runs on. This is AI infrastructure, the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush. No matter which frontier lab pulls ahead in the AI race, the hardware layer is a given. The scale of the AI infrastructure build-out is staggering. In 2025, the entire world bought $796 billion of semiconductors. In 2026, the top 4 cloud companies, known as the hyperscalers, plan to spend around $700 billion just between them, and experts project the total world spending to reach $1.5 trillion. One Wall Street estimate puts cumulative AI infrastructure investment near $7.5 trillion through 2031. Where does all that money go? To the companies that produce the chips, the cables, the racks, the buildings, the plumbing, and the power. That's why we made BUILDOUT, the Reserve AI Infrastructure DTF that gives you exposure to the foundation the entire AI economy is built on. The compute and memory that process tokens, the foundries and equipment that produce these chips, the networking and optical components that let them communicate, the enterprise server systems that hold it all together, and the power and thermal infrastructure to run it all. Keep in mind that nothing in this video is investment advice. We are not a regulated financial intermediary, and it's up to you to decide whether to purchase any of the assets offered on the Reserve platform, all of which may lose value. Welcome to the world of DTFs on Reserve. See you on chain.